Listen, are you dating a sociopath or worse, married to one? If you're not sure, then this video is for you. You're about to learn the 7 biggest signs of a female sociopath and why you must absolutely act fast if you want to save your relationship. First, let's get one thing right. There is a huge difference between being sociopathic or just being female. Because let's face it, it's normal for anyone to be a little crazy. It's just that women have these extra tendencies to need drama in their lives, to test their men and other such quirks. So, for a woman, being somewhat nutty can be par for the course sometimes. And if you're man enough to understand this, you'll find it easy to deal with these silly quirks. But here's what's not normal: when she's actually a sociopath for real. A female sociopath is a woman with a huge dose of crazy in her and causes all sorts of grief for her man. For example, a true sociopath makes unreasonable demands and expects you to satisfy them all the time. Or when she makes irresponsible decisions and expects you to deal with them. Or she does unexplainable things and expects you to just, quote-unquote, understand. The worst thing is that she behaves like this around the clock. Now listen carefully. If you're dating a sociopath, then you must take drastic action as quickly as you can. Because if you don't, your relationship is on a one-way ticket to absolute ruin. Trust me. This is what's going to happen. Either she leaves you for another man, or she hurts you and emotionally breaks you first, and then leaves you. Don't let that happen to you. So how do you tell if your woman is a sociopath? Here are the 7 signs to watch out for. Sign number 1. She can't empathize with you. Your problems, concerns, and feelings mean nearly nothing to her. Sign number 2. Hedonism. She relentlessly pursues pleasure and flees from pain, even at the risk of breaking the law or hurting other people. Sign number 3. All her friends are on social media. She has very few, if any, real-life friends, and she doesn't like meeting new people. Sign number 4. Dishonesty. Does she lie to you without any shade of guilt or remorse? Does she fib just to get what she wants from you? If she does, then she's a sociopath, 0 doubt about it. Sign number 5. Lack of intense emotion. When confronted with horrific or depressing situations, whether on TV or in real life, she shows no emotion. Or worse, she even likes it. Sign number 6. She ignores social rules. Instead of following the rules, she makes her own, and then forces you and the rest of the world to deal with them. And sign number 7. Entitlement mentality. She's constantly on about what she deserves and what she doesn't deserve. She also blames others for the bad things that happen in her life. And she never takes responsibility for anything she does. Remember, even just 1 or 2 of these signs can mean she's a sociopath, especially if she shows them often. So, watch her closely and see if she raises any red flags. Earlier, I mentioned the dangers of dating a female sociopath. It puts the relationship on a one-way road to ruin. Now, make no mistake, because I'm going to warn you again. If you're dating a sociopath, the breakup will happen, and it will hurt like hell. Count on it. She's going to leave you for someone she calls a better, stronger man. Sure, you can try to compromise with her and keep the relationship going. But that's even worse. She'll pussy whip you into submission, forcing you to submit to all her demands and ultimatums, no matter how unreasonable they may be. And then, after she's gotten bored with you, she'll leave you for that better, stronger guy. So yes, dating a sociopath may seem like a lose-lose situation. But here's the good news. You can actually win if you know how to. Because there is a way to save your relationship. And that's by becoming the kind of guy she secretly, desperately needs you to be. Now deep inside, you already know what you must do. You want to be the kind of guy she can't push around, no matter what she tries. You want to be strong and dominant, like the literal pillar of strength for your relationship or marriage. And you want to be the man she would do anything to keep. Sounds good, but knowing who you want to be is not enough. You'll have to know how to become that kind of guy. You can't suddenly transform overnight into a dominant man and violently impose your will on her like a brute. And no, you can't simply give her a dramatic ultimatum and expect her to comply either. The truth is, you just can't out-drama a female sociopath no matter what you do. It simply won't happen. As Shogun method practitioners, we know of a better way to achieve our goal without stepping beyond the boundaries of decency and respect. I teach this in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, but we can sum it up in one phrase: emotional enslavement. I know this word may sound incendiary, and indeed, it's the #1 reason we are in the crosshairs of feminists and their band of white knights. So, let's spend a couple of minutes digging deeper into what the phrase emotional enslavement really means. In the context of male-female relationships, it means this: by emotionally enslaving your woman, you'll make her so emotionally addicted to you, she's willing to do absolutely anything to keep you. That includes obeying you, supporting you, and replacing her old personality with a more respectful, more subservient, and more level-headed persona. In Shogun Method, you'll discover a 4-step roadmap to bring a woman from the initial stage of intrigue to the final stage of emotional enslavement. We call it the I-Ray model, and if you're unfamiliar with it, download the free digital book at iraymodel.com and come back here. Emotionally enslaving your woman will yield the results you want in 4 ways. 1. She'll be addicted to you hopelessly, physically and emotionally. 2. She'll see you as the strong, dominant, manly leader she desperately needs. 3. She'll see you as the only man in the world who can help her keep her impulses in check. And 4. She'll start working hard to keep you and make the relationship last a lifetime. Now, you might be wondering, isn't enslaving a crime or something? To that I say no, and here's why. We're not using enslavement in the negative sense of the word, but in its positive, real-world sense. In the 4-stage I-Ray model, emotional enslavement is the last stage. It's the culmination of the seduction process and the start of a happy, stable, effortless relationship with your woman. Now, if you're dating or married to a sociopath, chances are you've already taken her through the first 3 stages. Since you missed the last step of emotional enslavement, which happens to be the step she needs the most, everything you've worked for comes crashing down, and you end up trapped with a sociopath. Fortunately, it's not too late. If you learn how to emotionally enslave her as soon as you can, she'll become a more submissive and happier version of herself. And what's more, you'll save the relationship you've worked so hard to build. Here's some good news for you. You can learn how to emotionally enslave her today. And to do that, you must learn everything you can about fractionation. Fractionation is a mind control or hypnosis technique that, with the use of the right words and actions, will actually remove your woman's sociopathic tendencies. Fractionation is the keystone technique for the emotional enslavement stage of Shogun Method. It has helped thousands of my students take control of their relationships and lead their women to sexual and emotional bliss. Once emotionally enslaved, the women in their lives underwent drastic changes in their personalities. They suddenly start going out of their way to support their men. They learn to make sacrifices for the good of the relationship. And best of all, their dishonesty and manipulative behavior stop cold as they begin feeling empathy for others. There's no doubt about it. If you're dating or married to a sociopath, then you need to learn how to fractionate her fast. Fortunately, you found this video at the right time. Normally, learning Shogun Method in its entirety will take you at least a few months to a few years, and that's time you don't have. Here's the good news. Since you've already taken your sociopathic wife or girlfriend through the first 3 stages in the I-Ray model, you only need to master one more stage of the process, the final stage of emotional enslavement. And to do that, you'll need to know the enslavement stage's keystone technique, fractionation. The awesome thing is that you can take the Fractionation online masterclass today. All you need to do is to look for the link to fractionation.org in the comment section below and sign up for the masterclass. You'll become a master of fractionation before the day is over, and you've already won half the battle. Remember, when you're dating a sociopath, you must act fast. If you don't, your relationship will be doomed to failure. You must trust me on this. Don't trap yourself in a lifetime of pain, heartache, and frustration. No man deserves to learn that fact the hard way. With fractionation, you won't have to. Fractionation will not only save your relationship or marriage. With it, you'll even turn it into the happiest, strongest, most stable, and most rewarding relationship you and your woman will ever have. Believe me. Attend the Fractionation online masterclass at fractionation.org. Take this step, and you'll now have a world to gain, so go for it. Look for the link in the first comment below, or go to this website directly, fractionation.org.